Exactly 1 year has passed since the SEC filed its case against Ripple. How does the situation look like now? And why could Ripple have a glorious future after the case ended? Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out. But first, Merry Christmas. Hope you are having a great time. End of the month we are giving away 50 XRP coins at the end of the month to one random subscriber to start on their XRP journey. All you need to do is to like the video, subscribe and comment your thoughts on XRP in the comment section. Welcome back XRP Army. The SEC vs. Ripple lawsuit was filed on December 22, 2020, and it is now ongoing at the U.S. Supreme Court. It has been a year since this lawsuit was brought to a close, and the cryptocurrency industry and investors are still waiting for its resolution, which might come in the form of a settlement or a court judgment, but they are hopeful that it will be completed soon. Because of the occasion, it has been decided to take a look back at the difficulties that have afflicted the digital assets industry in the United States, including what is seen to be a lack of regulatory clarity. Taking to Twitter to convey his views on the one-year anniversary of the lawsuit, Ripple's chief executive officer, Brad Garlinghouse, blamed former the SEC chair Jay Clayton and stated that the battle is just getting started. Today, the SEC voted to attack crypto. Chairman Jay Clayton, in his final act, is picking winners and trying to limit U.S. innovation in the crypto industry to BTC and ETH. We know crypto and blockchain technologies aren't going anywhere. Ripple has and will continue to use XRP because it is the best digital asset for payments, speed, cost, scalability and energy efficiency. It's traded on 200+ exchanges globally and will continue to thrive. The SEC, out of step with other G20 countries and the rest of the US Gov, should not be able to cherry-pick what innovation looks like, especially when their decision directly benefits China. Make no mistake, we are ready to fight and win. This battle is just beginning. Comment, XRP Army, if you believe Ripple will win the case. Many prominent members of the XRP community, including attorney Jeremy Hogan, expressed their opinions on the one-year anniversary of the case. I have been involved in 1,000 lawsuits in various U.S. courts and various areas of law. The court system is frustrating and lengthy. But what I know is that it usually gets it right. Don't give in to cynicism. It will get it right, again. Because both parties requested permission to hold a final expert deposition on January 19, 2022. As part of the settlement agreement, the expert discovery process in the court case has been extended. In an expert discovery procedure that was critical to understanding the workings of the digital asset market, 16 experts testified in support of their positions. That, together with the documents submitted as part of the fact-finding process, will serve as the foundation for any further judgments made as Ripple attempts to prevail on the fair notice defense in the next trial, which is scheduled for November. By the way, how long do you think the case will go on? Let us know in the comment section down below. While the SEC trial is still going on, Garlinghouse has plenty of reasons to be optimistic about the future of Ripple, both during and after it. Ripple Labs and its XRP cryptocurrency have been the focus of a recent lawsuit stemming from charges made by the nonprofit government watchdog group Empower Oversight that former Securities and Exchange Commission employees were biased against the company. In the case, they were accused of having conflicts of interest when they designated digital assets such as the XRP cryptocurrency to be securities when they were not. Meanwhile, they ruled that other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, were not securities due to a conflict of interest and classified them as non-securities. On December 10, according to the online magazine The Daily Hodl, Empower Oversight made a press statement, which is available for viewing here. Their complaints were outlined, and they demanded a set of Freedom of Information Act, FOIA, documents relevant to their conflicts of interest, which were eventually delivered to them. Following was said in the news release on a conflict of interest that looked to be on the verge of corrupting the process. Former senior SEC official William Hinman received millions of dollars in compensation from his former employer, Simpson Thacker, while assisting the SEC in the regulation of cryptocurrencies, according to the New York Times. Do you agree that people could have a great future after the case? If yes, then make sure to like this video. According to the press release, a number of other agency employees were also identified as having substantial conflicts of interest. Additionally, it argues that Mark Berger, the former chief of the SEC Enforcement Division who brought the action against Ripple Labs, left the SEC for the same legal company that filed the lawsuit against the cryptocurrency exchange. In December 2020, the Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, alleging that the cryptocurrency XRP was issued as an unregistered security. It has been asserted by the company since then that the Securities and Exchange Commission lacks clear regulations about which cryptocurrencies qualify as securities and which do not. The Securities and Exchange Commission has deemed both Bitcoin and Ethereum to be non-investment securities. For example, the lawsuit contends that former SEC Chairman Jay Clayton may have had conflicts of interest in his professional activities throughout his tenure. After that, he joined cryptocurrency hedge fund One River Asset Management, which only worked with Bitcoin and Ether. According to him, he subsequently stated that Bitcoin was not a security and resigned from his position. In addition to the individuals named in the news release, several more government officials moved on to work for the firms that they had previously monitored. If the allegations are shown to be accurate, the complaint does not state which particular regulations, if any, were violated by the regulators as a result of the alleged violations. However, one thing is certain: it does not speak well for the agency's image in the future. Furthermore, if the claims against Ripple Labs are shown to be true, the SEC may be obliged to shut the case against the company by a judge or by public opinion to end the investigation. If this happens, the value of XRP might soar by a large amount. Some financial institutions may be more likely to adopt cryptocurrencies if it is perceived to be less controversial, which is one possible rationale. Ripple Labs wants customers to utilize its XRP cryptocurrency and other products, which are being developed by the business, for money transactions. According to reports, this has been one of the most often heard criticisms regarding XRP thus far, at least in the United States. For its side, Ripple Labs points out that its on-demand liquidity, ODL, products payment system has been widely used in other regions of the world, including Japan. RippleNet is a payment system improvement solution that, according to the company's website, is utilized by hundreds of financial institutions in order to enhance the entire payment system. As a global network of financial institutions, RippleNet connects users to various financial institutions all over the world, aiming to improve the efficiency of money transactions. The company announced in a recent release that ODL customers today can now access over 20 countries throughout the world for their payment needs. According to the report, the amount of international transactions in ODL has surged by more than 25 times in the last year alone. This recent move will put pressure on the Securities and Exchange Commission and, maybe, Congress, in respect to the regulation of cryptocurrencies, which is now under consideration. It may open the way for a resolution to the continuing legal dispute over whether XRP is a security or a cryptocurrency, which is currently in litigation. This will result in a large increase in the value of cryptocurrencies when the legal fight around them comes to a conclusion. Mark Hake did not own any holdings, directly or indirectly, in any of the securities covered in this article as of the date of publication. Mark Hake is a financial advisor who is registered with the SEC. Unless otherwise specified, the opinions expressed in this article are exclusively those of the author, who is constrained by the Investor Place publishing guidelines in the creation of this post. What do you think about the Ripple SEC case? Do you agree the situation of Ripple is looking fantastic right now? Let us know in the comment section. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have got 2 videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered financial advice. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.